Dear viewers, thanks for joining my YouTube channel Global Flash, and we informing you about the latest earthquake update. On Saturday, 19 February 2022 at local time 9 p.m. deadly earthquake hits on Philippines, reported by European Mediterranean Seismological Center. According to European Mediterranean Seismological Center, the magnitude of earthquake was 4.0 and its depth was 10 km. Based on preliminary data, the quake should not have caused any significant damage but was probably felt by many people as light vibration in the area of earthquake. Thanks for watching Global Flash.